Welcome to training video 5, and in this video we're going to be looking at loops, if, else and if, and also we're going to make a mini project called raw. Okay, so first thing is, let's understand again what loops are. So let's have a look at this. A loop or iteration is a sequence of instructions that's continually repeated until a certain condition is reached. Okay, now let's go through a scenario. Let's pretend in this scenario here we've got a staff member at an airport asking a question to someone who's coming into airport immigration, that's entering, say, Heathrow from abroad. And if we look at this, this is called a flow chart, okay? And we start here, okay? And it's basically saying if A, so in this case, are you British? If you are, this happens. If no, okay, are you EU? No, then do this. So it's like, if it's this, do this. If it's not, do that. If it's this, so it's almost like a continual, like asking. It's basically a basic decision-making process. So A is, do you like chocolate? No. Do you like sweets? No. Okay, and then moves on. And it could be the other way around. Do you like chocolate? Yes. Okay. Do this. Okay. Or it could be like, let's go out today, what we're going to do today. So for instance, it could be, is it raining outside? No. Is it warm enough to go outside in shorts? And if you put yes, let's go to the park. Okay, so it's like a basic decision making. And in code, in Python, we use the if, elif, and else. So if it's something, if it's something else, but if it's something none of those, it's called else. Do something else. Okay, and how that's going to work is that in our program that we're going to write in this video, we're going to ask the question, what is your favourite animal? And I'm going to put in lion. And it's basically behind the scenes, it's got the if, else and elif, if, elif and else in there. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, because it's obviously saying if you put in lion, you said you like lion raw. There's like an if lion, then say raw. Let's run that again. Okay, let's run that again. So run module. What's your favourite animal? Okay, I'm going to put in sheep. Whoops, you like lion. What have I done there? Hang on. Okay, let's run this. Let's put in sheep. There we go. So this is the example of a lift. So if it's a lion, do this. A lift, if it's a sheep, do this. And let's run it again. Let's put something in like cow. You said you like cow. Okay, don't know that one. And that's the else. Okay, and if we look at the code here, okay, if it's equal to lion, print that. If it's equal to a sheep, do that. And it's something else that's put in, then you make this statement. So let's go through this code. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is let's put in some comments. So this is a program that asks you about your favourite animals. Okay, so the first thing to do is put a print in. Okay, and let's put what is your favourite animal. Okay. Now the next part is we need to get an input from the user. Okay, so if we type in the variable animal equals, okay, and then that's going to be input, isn't it? Input, and we want a text input, don't we? So it's going to be really simple. Okay, what's your favourite animal? Enter the animal, please. Okay, so that's the simple part of asking for an animal. Okay, and then we're going to do print. You said you like. Okay, and then we're going to put in the variable there. I'm going to call it. Okay, so let's test that. So let's run that. So always test it as you go. See what happens. Okay, and if we go and find that special folder, we'll call this number 6 animal.py. Okay, see what happens. Oh, error. Okay, can you see what I've done wrong there? I've got an extra. There we go. What's your favourite animal? Lion. You said you like lion. Okay, I could put lions in if I wanted to. So that all works. And there was an error message there. Okay, and that's again important to react to that. Okay, so we'll put another one in there just to make it so below this collects the animal name. Okay, the next part is having a go at these if. So we get the animal, and if it's a line we want to do, so we will go if animal, okay, and that's relating to this variable, okay, equals, and it's double, okay, to make it equals. Okay, so if it's exactly says lion, okay, we need these okay, indents like that. That's the one we want. If animal is that, and you notice that it indents itself. Okay, so tab across. Okay, this is part of putting if statements in. It changes the sort of indents for you. Okay, print. Okay, raw. Okay, so that's our first if statement there. So let's try that, see what happens, see if that actually works. Okay, type of the animal, lion, raw, great. Okay, try again, let's put something different in, what happens? What would happen? It's always interesting to see. So you put in cow. You said you like cow, so it doesn't put in the if because it's not recognizing that. Okay. The next bit is, well, what if someone puts in another animal? So this will be the elif, another if equals cow. Okay. Copy the layout below. Print. And for speed, I'm just going to put in here print moo. Okay, simple stuff. We could also put another one in. We put another elif in. So if it is a cat, go meow. We can do lots of these. Okay, meow. But what if they put in something completely random, or another animal? Well, this is where the else comes in. Else, okay, and we just need to say if it's something, anything else, just put in print. Don't know that one. Okay. So we've shown here we've got if, elif, and else, and this is part of our decision making, our flow chart. If it's this animal, do that. If it's another animal, do this. If it's another animal on top of that, do that. But if it's something completely else, don't know that one. Okay. So let's try that through. So let's run it. Let's see if that works. Okay, animal please. What are the animals we put in? Let's have a look. Okay, so if we put in cat, okay, you said you like cat. Okay, meow. Okay, let's run that again. Let's put in chicken. Don't know that one. Okay, so that's using the decision, the loops, it's going through that. Okay, so if we just finish that off, make it nice and proper, keep forgetting to put these comments in, below are the loops for the program to help us work out what to type. Okay, and if you can think about that, it might be really good for a game. So you know, if it's like a question answer, like a quiz, you know, you type in here's the question. If it's this answer, correct. If not, wrong. Okay, next question. So you know, this is how we start program mapping and getting different ideas. All right. So once we've done that, please pop that into your programming diary. If you've got time, add in some more interesting animals if you want to. But that gives you an introduction to loops, how it works, the theory behind it, the flowcharts, decision making, and I hope that's interesting and fun for you. Okay, take care.